Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make friends online. Now, I'm an introvert with around 60,000 followers on all social media platforms. So I've received thousands of texts and I'm a keen observer. I see what things work, what things don't. And at the same time, I've sent a lot of texts to other people as well. People who I admire, people who I want to meet. And I know which text works, which doesn't, and how you build a long-term relationship with people whom you really want to be friends with. I'll give you an example. Keenan, my co-founder at Ulog, I met him on WhatsApp. Mehul Mohan, the founder of Codedam, he's from Bitscoa. He has over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I met him on LinkedIn. And Harnoor Singh, Sing in USA, I met him on Instagram, and that's how we collaborated for a video and did it later. So today, especially after COVID, a lot of your interactions happen online. So if you want to meet someone, chances are you'll just WhatsApp them or send them a LinkedIn DM or a Twitter DM. This is what mostly happens. You meet someone online and after a few months you go out there and meet them in real life. Today I'm going to tell you a couple of ways that I use to network online. So it could be friends, it could be with professionals, it could be with people from whom I want to get mentored with, and I'll tell you what works and what doesn't. So a few weeks back, we had over 100 meetings, online meetings with people. We were getting feedback for something that we were building. And all of these feedbacks were from people whom we had never met before. I did not know them personally. I had never seen them in real life, but I just asked them to come on a call and give feedback for our product. In a way, they mentored us. How did we do this? It's very simple. I connected with all of them on LinkedIn, sent them a polite message that said, "Hey, I'm Harish, I'm a student at BITS Pilani Goa campus. I'm trying to build something and I need some feedback from experts like you. Would you be free this week to maybe get on a Google Meet and give us some advice?" And guess what? If I texted 100 people, 50, 60 of them said yes. And that's how we set up so many meetings together. Another way of meeting friends is to be part of communities. I'm part of two communities. One is Pushstart, which is like a community for entrepreneurs, wantrepreneurs, all of them. The second group is Clinify, which is a Telegram group. And over there, people are really supportive. So if you need any sort of help, it could be in code, design, Photoshop, whatever. At the same time, they have meetups as well. So every Sunday, they have meetups where you can practice English, you can improve your public speaking skills. They have activities to improve your English skills. And also, no one judges you. So that's the great part. They won't care if you make a mistake. In fact, they'll be encouraging. There's another community called Avalon Army. It's run by Varun Maya. It's a Discord group. You can check that out as well. So here's the thing with online communities, right? I'll tell you, if you're into digital marketing, you can go to these digital marketing communities. And when you're part of a community, it's your responsibility to give value to community members so that they remember you, right? And a good way of providing value is by sharing knowledge. It could be a good article that you read or answering people's queries. These are all good ways of putting out a good first impression. So next time you're on a WhatsApp group, give out value, give out good things that people might like. And whenever someone asks a doubt, instead of scene zoning them, answer it. So this way you'll build a very healthy relationship. I'm part of multiple WhatsApp groups. I'm not active everywhere, but whenever I feel I could give relevant info, whenever I feel I can help that community out, I go out of my way and share links, or if they have a question, I'll try my best to answer it. So that way you can build a good brand name for yourself, and you can try that out. I run about more than 15-16 WhatsApp groups, and I know that there are a few people who answer everyone's questions, and these are the people who command respect. Everyone in the community starts respecting them, and that way these people get some fame, these people make more friends online. The internet is weird. You'll come across all sorts of weird people. I'm pretty active on social media and I get weird comments, I get weird prank calls, a lot of things happen. And the best I can do is just ignore them and be with smart, good people who can help me improve my life and become better every single day. So I'll give you a challenge. It's called 555. Send 5 emails, 5 texts, and 5 calls every single day. So it could be emails to potential clients, or it could be emails to people whom you really care about. It could be emails to your professor asking for some research project. Whatever you do, just send 5 emails, 5 calls. Make calls to people whom you've never spoken for a long time and maybe make them happy. Make calls to your relatives maybe. And then the last 5 is text. It's not necessary that you need to text 15 people, you can reduce it down to 5 as well. But every day, keep meeting new people, keep getting new perspectives. The next one is engage with people's social media posts. A lot of CEOs do not get good comments. A lot of great people are not like social media famous. So engage with people's posts. Maybe reply to people's Instagram stories, or maybe just comment on people's LinkedIn posts. This way you can build a good engagement with that particular person, and the next time you're not a stranger. The next time you'll be a person who comments on your videos. Like, I remember all of the comments, all of the regular commenters. Like, there's a commenter on my video called JK. I remember him because he comments on every single video of mine. And yeah, hey JK, if you're watching it. That's pretty much it, guys. These are few ways through which you can get friends on the internet. So this has been my experience. Do let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys have a better way of networking with people? Or do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next one. Do subscribe, do hit the like button, and subscribe to my freelancing newsletter. It's a shameless plug.